See? I told you, Jordan. Beginner's luck, dude.
Oh, wasn't my rule.
Put this a little more closer to where your belt buckle is. Lower. No, belt. Yeah.
Oh, so that's probably going to be the shark then. Yeah, it is. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
It's a mackerel.
A huge mackerel.
Oh,
Get the net.
yes.
Get the net behind you.
Net.
Oh my goodness. That. Just hold him in, otherwise you'll lose him.
No.
All right. Was that what the
That huge.
that is a Big Mac, dude.
There you go. That's your biggest one you've caught in the ocean.
All right. There's a bonnethead,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's bonnethead. Oh, good. Those are my favorite. They taste so good.
That's dinner for a couple days. Then.
I still got 2 pounds from the last one I caught.
Yeah.
Oh, because I haven't had anybody to eat it with. I bet the cats would like it.
You've obviously never seen one of these, Jordan. So.
No, I haven't.
See why it's called a bonnethead as opposed to a hammer? You'd probably call it a hammer.
What is it?
Okay.
It's quite large.
Oh yeah. On that little thing.
Look at that.
You didn't break the fact that you didn't break the line. That's pretty cool.
Oops, we're gonna lose all this.
Okay, it's a 10-minute fight before you lose it.
Well, keep in mind, by now he hasn't broke it, right? So he's got the hook in his mouth. So as long as you keep the line tight, he's not going to bite it further. So I think you're fine.
But what you're saying is,
Don't get our hopes up until we get him in the boat.
no, don't dilly
Man, that
dally with the
ran
net.
fast.
Man, it did.
Yep. What was it on?
This is the
Pinfish?
pinfish.
Yep.
I'm
So-
gonna lose him in the anchor.
Really? You want to come up here in the front?
Yeah. Well, no, I'm gonna turn him.
Oh, he's right.
Where is
Oh,
he?
I don't
sorry.
know.
I thought it was, but it was just.
Are you keeping on me or on that? Oh my word! No.
You gotta tighten it.
Back.
Don't lose him.
What? I thought I saw it.
It's just a piece of
It was all the clump on the on the bobber.
Okay, now he's passing. Now I need to get up there. Oh, it's a big shark.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
That's a big bonnet. No, not a bonnethead. That looks like a round nose. Here, hand me this rod. There you go. Oh, he's a big boy. What?
Keep it sideways. Yep.
What? Oh yeah. That's a big boy. 3 foot. Make that noise.